Hi, what's up guys? In this short video, I will show you how to use cryptoboxes code in Binance. From homepage, select wallet and then funding and pay. Then cryptobox and get the code you want to use, copy it, go to receive and paste code, then claim now. Open the box and then click check now. Yeah, successful claim. Wait some seconds. Then go back and check the gift. Okay, I will go receive, and this is the last one in the history. Now I claimed the gift. If you like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.